2026 has no room for noise. This year, the Sigma doesn't talk. He executes. Wake up early. Before the world opens its eyes, I've already started. Train in silence. No gym selfies, no hype. Just raw power building in the shadows. Cut the fake. I'd rather walk alone than sit with snakes. Privacy is my shield. You won't see me posted, but you'll feel it when I arrive. While others scroll, I sharpen skills. While they chase attention, I chase greatness. Read, learn, adapt. The loudest room holds the weakest mind, and I've mastered the silence.